I'm Mike Underhill.
And I'm BMX Bunting.
This is our bike check. Alright, so I got the Sunday Wave #1. I don't even think they make these anymore. Colt Death Row bars. FBM CB4Ks. They're from 2001. Original Odyssey Hazard wheel. Some Odyssey Aiken tires. Some gnarred up profile cranks. Profile sprocket. This pretty blue chain. Got some Animal Hamilton pedals on there. I'm not too happy about that, but Shadow Raptor hub laced to a Shadow rim. Demolition tires and Shadow little pegs. Can't forget about the 6-inch seat post Shadow Conspiracy seat. Probably one of the few guys still running the seat posts in the world, so gotta show love for that.
Stem stems.
And I got the Shadow Attack stem. It's never moved on me once.
Yeah, so I guess we'll move from the front to the back. But I got some premium whiskey bars. Rocking that Garrett Randall status. Some blue ODI grips. We got that Shadow Attack stem. I mean, I love it. I've had it for like 2 years now. It's been great on me. Got some purple bolts in there. Look at that. Hell yeah, courtesy of the Shred Shack. And we got some Fit Shoe forks. They haven't broken on me yet. I'm surprised, 'cause like all my other friends, they snapped in like 50 different places. And yeah, then we got the Demolition bulimia rim or something like that. I don't even know, but yeah, I like the color blue, so I just went with it. And we got some bald ass tires right here, and their tread, they're even starting to rip in places. Whatever, I don't even care. Got fucking peg, I don't even know what kind. Peg's a peg. Alright, then we got the Federal Lacy frame. It's a little beat up, but I love it. Love the dimensions, they're sick. Then we got Demolition cranks. I've had these for like 4 years now. They're great. Cyan blue, my favorite color. Then we got some Odyssey black pedals. Fucking, I don't even know what kind of sprocket this is. Fucking, I don't even know. Honestly. But yeah, sprocket. We got this sick Demolition seat. Black and white. Demolition cyan blue seat post. It's freaking sick. White chain. I don't really care about chains. Change the chain. And we got another bald ass tire back here. And then we got Profile Mini SS hub. Seems like everyone's rocking them nowadays. And that's laced to a Demolition wheel. Black chrome's freaking sick. Love it. And yeah, everything's pretty much courtesy of a shop we ride for called Shred Shack, and he hooked us up.
Shred Shack, bro!
Shred Shack, yeah. That's pretty much our bikes.